Good morning. We're going to take a look at the Chapter 3 problem solve from the MyIT Lab. Specifically in this video, let's complete Step 4. In Step 4, the instructions tell us, in cell I6, enter a formula to calculate the revenue based on the revenue in cell H6 and the percentage located in cell B14. Okay, so I'm going to hop over to my worksheet and let's take a look at, let me get that out of there. Let's take a look at what we need to enter in cell I6. So with any formula or function, I'm going to start with the equal sign. And the instructions have already told us that I need to take the revenue in H6. But let me just back up and remind myself of the context of this problem. So we're going to perform renovations on a building. We know what the current revenues are. That's H6. We project that after the renovations, our revenues will have increased by 40%. So we're going to times this, use my little asterisk, and then that tells me in the instructions it says it's cell B14. And notice that when you select cell B14, it assigns the name to that cell, right? So we're starting to use not just cell addresses like H6, but names to our definitions. So it calls it by its name, increase in revenue. Now at this stage of the game, I'm going to hit enter, but we're not done. So I'm going to hit enter. And I can see that mathematically what I've calculated is just the increase. I want the whole total. I want to know what is the revenue going to be after the renovations. So this amount is just the increase in revenue. So I have to take this whole thing. I'm going to go back. I'm active on cell I6. I'm going to take this whole thing and add to it our original revenue. So it's the increase plus the original revenue, which was H6. So do you see that that's that whole formula that you need to enter in cell I6 and then autofill it all the way down the column. If you have any questions at all, feel free to email me.